Tus últimos 10 emojis para saber cómo eres, which means your last 10 emojis, so you know how you are right now. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Alien John YTT. And from my page, you have to go to add your sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So go to add yours stickers. And here you have to click until you find the desired story. And if you like, you can also check this viral trends right here. For example, this one or this one. So there we have it. Here you have to click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. And once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get that link to the YouTube tutorial in the Instagram app. So now let's do our story. You have to go to your upload and choose a background photo. So I will go with this one right here. You can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller. And now you have to go to your emojis. You have to go to a conversation or some place to have access to your keyboard. And then from here you have to go to your emojis. And then you have to click on this clock right here. And then you have to screenshot and then go to your gallery and crop the first 10 emojis. So once you did that, you can go back to your Instagram story, go to stickers from the top of the screen, and then you have to scroll down and click on the plus icon next to the camera, and then choose your emojis. Place it where you want. So once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends, and that's it. So yeah guys, now let me show you from where you can get that link for the YouTube tutorial. If you are not able to click on the add yours button, you have to go in my Instagram page to super viral at highlights, and there you will find the first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.